Hi everyone, it's Dave, and I'm here at Outdoor Home. Today, I'd like to show you how simple and delicious all your Thanksgiving favorites can be when cooked on a big green egg. Now, I can remember back to the first time I cooked a turkey on my big green egg, and I gotta tell you, it was so simple, so flavorful. My family was very impressed. In fact, we haven't thought of doing it any other way since. So this Thanksgiving, I wanna give you a couple quick tips picking out the perfect bird. First, decide, are you doing fresh or frozen? And if you are cooking a frozen turkey, be sure to allow yourself 1 day for every 4 pounds of turkey weight thaw time in your refrigerator. If you're gonna be brining, add 1 extra day to that process. Today we're gonna show you a very basic and super simple technique for cooking turkey on your big green egg. We're starting with the egg set for indirect cooking. With the confector in place, legs up, 350 degrees is our desired temperature. I personally like to add some pecan wood mixed throughout my charcoal, and it doesn't take a lot to give a subtle smoky flavor and a nice golden brown color. What I'm gonna wanna do, I'm gonna take the big green egg savory pecan seasoning, 3 tablespoons. I'm going to mix that with a 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, give that a nice stir, create a little bit of a little thicker kind of an oily paste, if you will. Now, before I rub this down, I also want to separate the skin from the flesh. I'm trying not to tear it. If I do, that's okay. But when I put this in here, I want to not only season the skin, but I also want to get some of that on the breast meat, on the wings, on the legs. I'm just gonna rub that throughout. And then once we're done, on the underside, we're gonna get this all over the turkey on the exterior. If you tear your skin, don't stress about it. It's still gonna be delicious. Get that nice color all over the turkey. Good rub down. And then you'll be ready to start the cooking process. Some of my go-to accessories throughout the year, and especially on Thanksgiving, are gonna be the big green egg ribbon roast rack. I like to use that in combination with the roasting and drip pan. It allows me to safely transport my turkey from indoors to out. I can also add some aromatics, some liquids. The pan catches those drippings and makes some of the best gravy I've ever had. I also like to use the remote probe thermometer. It helps me keep an eye on the temperature of not only my egg, but the turkey as well. And I can do that from the comfort of my own home while I'm preparing some other side dishes for our Thanksgiving dinner. Speaking of that, be sure to be on the lookout for our next video where I'm gonna show you one of my favorite side dishes and one of my favorite desserts. But in the meantime, be sure and check us out. If you've got questions, comments, concerns, Outdoor Home, we're just off South Campbell on Tracker Road. Outdoor Home, where outdoor living is always in.